The first laser, ruby laser, was invented by Dr. Th. Maiman in the year of 1960. Since then, the development of lasers is extremely rapid. The laser action is being demonstrated in many solids, liquids, gases, and semiconductor. Overview of laser. What is laser? Properties of laser, basic concept of laser, absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission, types of laser, applications of laser. What is laser? Laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Laser is a device which emits a powerful monochromatic collimated beam of light. The emitted light waves are coherent in nature. Characteristics of laser. Laser is basically a light source. Laser light has the following important characteristics: high directionality, high intensity, highly monochromatic, highly coherence. Directionality. Ordinary lights spread in all directions. Laser is highly directional. The laser beam can be focused to very long distance with a few divergence. Intensity. Since an ordinary light spreads in all directions, the intensity reaching the target is very less. But in the case of laser, due to high directionality, the intensity of laser beam reaching the target is of high intense beam. Monochromatic. Laser beam is highly monochromatic. The wavelength is single. Coherence. It is an important characteristic of laser beam. In lasers, the wave trains of same frequency are in phase. The radiation given out is in mutual agreement, not only in phase but also in the direction of emission and polarization. Thus, it is a coherent beam. Basic concepts for a laser: absorption, spontaneous emission, and stimulated emission. Absorption. An atom in the lower energy level or ground state energy level E1 absorbs the incident photon radiation of energy h nu and goes to the higher energy level or excited level E2. This process is called absorption. Spontaneous emission. The atom in the excited state returns to the ground state by emitting a photon of energy E equal to E2 minus E1 equal to h nu spontaneously without any external triggering. This process is known as spontaneous emission. Stimulated emission. The atom in the excited state can also return to the ground state by external triggering or incident of photon, thereby emitting a photon of energy equal to the energy of the incident photon. This process is known as stimulated emission. Types of laser. According to the active material, solid state, liquid, gas, excimer or semiconductor lasers. According to the wavelength, infrared, visible, ultraviolet or X-ray lasers. Applications of laser. Scientific applications of laser: spectroscopy, lunar laser ranging, photochemistry, laser cooling and nuclear fusion. Military applications of laser: death ray, defensive applications, strategic defense initiative, laser sight, illuminator, range finder and target designator. Medical applications of laser, eye surgery and cosmetic surgery. Industrial and commercial applications of laser, cutting, welding, marking, CD player, DVD player, laser printers, laser pointers, photolithography and laser light display.